I haven't heard from my friend this week. I can speak with her if you like. If you like.
We need Bob to stop.
I don't think that people in big cities are ruder. In big are rude. Hey, Frida. Thanks. I look forward to hearing from you. To hear from you.
Mary is a busy. Hi, Malik. That new employee is so. Professor Turner is usually.
Tired.
You must be tired, Professor Jackson. Yes, it's been very tiring.
That was very rude of them.